Hey everyone, welcome back to Startup Sparks. I'm Taha, and today we're tackling a critical topic, the top 5 mistakes that cause startups to fail and how you can avoid them. Starting a business is tough, but knowing these common pitfalls will give you a major advantage. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with actionable tips to keep your startup on track and thriving. Let's get started. 1. Skipping market research. Mistake number 1 is skipping market research. It's easy to fall in love with your idea, but without understanding your market, you're flying blind. Here's what to do. Know your audience. Who are your ideal customers? What do they want? Study the competition. What are they doing right? Where can you stand out? Test your idea. Conduct surveys or interviews to validate your assumptions. Without solid research, you risk building a product nobody wants. Number 2, poor cash flow management. The second mistake is poor cash flow management. Many startups fail because they run out of money, not because they lack a great idea. Avoid this by tracking expenses religiously. Use tools like QuickBooks or Wave to stay on top of your finances. Budgeting for the unexpected. Always have a financial cushion for emergencies. Focusing on revenue. Prioritize activities that bring in money early on. Cash flow is the lifeblood of your business. Protect it at all costs. 3. Scaling too quickly. The third mistake, scaling too quickly. It's exciting to see early success, but expanding too fast can backfire. For example, hiring too many employees can lead to unnecessary overhead. Overproducing inventory ties up cash in unsold products. Entering new markets prematurely without understanding them fully. Grow at a pace that's sustainable and aligned with your resources. 4. Ignoring customer feedback. The fourth mistake is ignoring customer feedback. Your customers are your best resource for improvement. Here's how to leverage their input. Engage with them regularly, through surveys, reviews, or direct conversations. Adapt based on their needs. If something isn't working, fix it. Show appreciation. Let them know their feedback matters. Happy customers are your greatest asset, and they'll help you build loyalty and trust. 5. Not having a clear vision. The fifth and final mistake is not having a clear vision. A startup without direction can easily lose focus. To avoid this, define your mission. Why does your business exist? Set goals. Break them into short-term and long-term objectives. Communicate effectively. Ensure your team is aligned with your vision. A clear vision keeps you grounded and focused on what truly matters. Let's recap the 5 common startup mistakes. Skipping market research. 2. Poor cash flow management. 3. Scaling too quickly. 4. Ignoring customer feedback. 5. Not having a clear vision. Avoid these pitfalls and you'll significantly increase your chances of success. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Startup Sparks, and share your thoughts in the comments. What's the biggest challenge you've faced as an entrepreneur? Let's keep the conversation going and help each other grow.